Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to use screen of gestures in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to additional settings. And here select gestures and motions, and here select screen of gestures and turn on this button screen of gestures. There are a lot of options are available. Double tap to wake or turn off screen. Okay, first option, just to turn on this button so that you can double tap to wake or turn off screen. Okay, so double tap on the locked screen and phone screen will wake up, and if you again double tap on the locked screen, it will turn off. Okay, see here, it will turn off. So this is the first screen of gesture available on your phone. Okay, the next one is draw and O to open camera. So to open camera, what you have to do is draw O on the locked screen. Okay, lock your phone and draw O, and this camera will open. Okay, camera is open now. Okay, you can take pictures. Okay, so this is second one. Okay, then we will use third one, draw a V to turn torch on off. Okay, so to turn on torch, we have to draw V on the locked screen. Okay, turn on this button, click on got it, and lock your phone and draw V to turn on flashlight. See here, if you again draw V on locked screen, flashlight will be turned off. Okay, see here, and I am checking, drawing V will turn on flashlight, and drawing V again will turn off. Drawing V again will turn off flashlight. Okay, this is another useful screen of gestures. Okay, then music control. If you turn on it, you can use two fingers to draw on the screen to pause or resume music playback, and draw the symbol or the symbol to play for the previous or next song. Okay, even when the screen is off. Okay, as of now I don't have any music, so I cannot show it as a demo. Okay, then click draw. Okay, more options are available. Click on draw. Okay, and here if you turn on it, by default it will launch calculator. You can also change it to other one. Okay, click on draw and you can change it. Okay, unlock, call, or open any app. Okay, so as of now I leave it to the default option and I am showing a demo. Okay, so you go to draw this symbol to open calculator. Okay, see here, calculator will be opened. Okay, then next one, draw M. Okay, just to turn on this, and here draw M is defaultly set to launch assistant. Okay, you can also change it to other option. Here I am changing it to call. Okay, and you have to choose a contact. Okay, so that contact will be called when you draw M on the locked screen. See here, yes. Then draw W. Okay, so here draw W is already set to recorder. Okay, so draw W. See here, recording is going. Okay, so in this way you can easily use a screen of gestures. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.